Hey guys, hope you are doing well. So we closed the last month in quite good profit, and let's see if April will continue in green. My name is Mike Denkler from CorionX and from the CryptoMinds education movement of CorionX, and I'm bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin, NFT, DeFi gems to keep you updated and educated. I should state that nothing in this video can be considered as a financial investment advice, so everything just for your education and entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research and make your decisions based on your research. So guys, smash those like, push the bell and notification, or subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Smashing those likes is helping out the YouTube algorithm, so appreciate all your likes, and let's dive into and analyze. Let's see what's happening out there. So let's go to our favorite bubble charts. We see that most of the altcoins are in red. They are just consolidating and correcting, especially Arbitrum, as there is some rumors going on that they want to release some part of the DAO tokens and they want to just transfer it to the team or some VC investors, and that would cause a further dump. So that is why the Arbitrum price is dropping, but Aptos and CAS is doing really well. Conflux and ImmutableX are correcting. As we see, Bitcoin is down almost 2%, just below 28,000, and also Ethereum is below 1800 US dollar, down 2%. So quite consolidating and correcting weekend that we see. So guys, let's go and check out our favorite indicator, the crypto fear and greed index. It is still at 63, so we are in the greed zone and not too much happening here, as investors sentiment is getting better. So guys, let's go to our first news. Top crypto analyst says Bitcoin on the cusp of making history. So the crypto analyst is Rack Capital, and they are charting that the monthly candle will have closed above the macro downtrend to confirm the new bull market. So these are monthly candles, and breaking this monthly downtrend with the green monthly candles, this can just confirm the end of the bull market. So BTC on the very cusp of making history. And what else do we have here? BTC tends to break its macro downtrend around the year before its upcoming halving. The time is no different. BTC on the cusp of confirming its first quarterly bullish engulfing candle since early 2020. Historically, quarterly bullish engulfing candles have preceded multiple quarters of upside. So this is a bullish engulfing candle, the quarterly. So this is 3 months candle, and then what a huge free green candle followed. Yeah, cool. Let's go and check out our next news. BTC price targets fixed on 35,000 US dollars as Bitcoin eyes massive liquidity squeeze. Okay, so BTC price analyst massive liquidations due at 30,000, and everybody just wants to get rid of this. And also we see a kind of cup and holder on this chart. A whole new bad dream if BTC breaks it. Nasdaq S&P went wrong into weekly close, still major pessimism and disbelief, while major milestones are close to begin made for stocks and BTC. I think that when these levels breaks, massive liquidations will come in, and it does feel like a matter of when, not if, because there is zero fraud in the market, only some spot supply. So yeah, so there is not too much Bitcoin on the market to buy up, but this is how Bitcoin trying to go higher here. Ranging this weekend, it seems on the corn, and for continuation the bulls want to reclaim the range high as at 28,750. Until then we chill. Also Stockman Lizard sees some divergence is that the RSI is going down and the Bitcoin price is going up. So these are bearish divergence. So maybe a drop to, let's say, 28,000 US dollar would be beneficial. Bitcoin bulls and other 23% in March. So if we are looking onto the chart, we see that 23% up in March. So that's huge. And historically, April also used to be a green month. So guys, that's it. Let's go to our next. I see in the sidelines that CZ Binance influencers face a 1 billion lawsuit for unregistered securities promotion. So the SEC is coming again. Trader who predicted 2023 crypto breakout says Bitcoin chart looks absurdly good. Here are his targets. Don Alt is the analyst. BTC update changed the zones a bit. Generally looks absurd good. Quite funny how the FUD, fear, uncertainty and doubt of last week and the panic of Twitters aren't even visible on the chart. Goes to show that most people are way too zoomed in. So RIP, danger zone, looks amazing. Future of France, future of finance. Yes. The most important structure right now is the one we set on Binance FUD. If we lose it, that would be first time over the course of this rally that bullish engulfed bad news lows get raided. Would be enough for me to think we will cool down for a while as long as it holds up only. Resistance 28,900, support 28, so we already broke this support. Breakdown target 25,200. Breakout target 37,000 according to this analysis. And yeah, so some pullback to 25,000 would be quite healthy. The best argument for why this giga send it were that we have simply run out of bad news. We have nuked every company, every reputation, everything. The whole industry is a laughing stock and yet price in 2x from the lows. What else do they wanna throw at us? I can't remember the last time we had this much objectively bad news at a blatant target aggression throw on crypto while price just went up. So guys, as we see, bad news are not affecting the Bitcoin price anymore. New global currency designed to ditch US dollar coming from BRICS nations. So who are the BRICS nations? Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa, and also it seems that a few other countries wants to join. The transition to settlements in national currencies is the first step. The next one is to provide the circulation of digital or any other form of fundamentally new currency in the nearest future. I think that the coming BRICS summit, the readiness to realize these projects will be announced. Such works are underway. Okay, China's trading natural gas, trade using the yuan instead of the US dollar. The acromic, okay, yeah. Number of additional nations, including Saudi Arabia, Argentina, Iran, Indonesia, Turkey, and Egypt, have reportedly expressed interest in joining the alliance. So other countries will join this alliance, and this will be a kind of superpower. Nifty news: Trump NFTs pump after indictment. Q1 trading volume hits 4.7 billion and more. So Trump NFTs are surging. NFT sales hit almost 5 billion in Q1 according to that radar. NFT trading volumes and sales count. So we see that after just bottoming out, the NFT trading volume seems to be just getting higher, and as we see, Ethereum, Solana and Polygon and Immutable X are leading the way, the blockchains by NFT trading volume. Okay, fantasy drops, NFT flights tickets. So which this launch we seeks to generate a positive impact in the aviation industry through innovation and an application of blockchain technology. Other nifty news, so other collections could be possible. Cool. Next piece of news is El Salvador removes all taxes related to tech innovation for economic growth. That's huge. So also El Salvador is on the way to becoming one of the most tech advanced country. Okay, law for the promotion of innovation and manufacturing of technologies. So they are removing all taxes, and here is these guys. Okay. ASO Bitcoin. Max Kaiser in the middle and Tracy. Cool. What else do we have here? Elon Musk led petition to halt AI development divides tech community. Brian Armstrong said that any tech development should not be halted based on the fears of a few. So, Elon Musk wants to halt AI development, and Armstrong is not just sharing this opinion, so he's against it, but we see. Cool. Next. The government should fear AI, not crypto, according to Galaxy Digital CEO Mike Novogratz. When I think about AI, it shocks me that we are talking so much about crypto regulation and nothing about AI regulation. I mean, I think the government got it completely upside down. Portray One Novo. Cool. Crypto and blockchain is going to have a huge role in that. It is dumb to think that we should cash in this industry because of Sam Bankman-Fried in his Bermuda shorts period. The market feels strong, and when I look at it technically on charts, we have had big weekly closes. I'm surprised to hear myself say this given where my mindset was in the late December, but it would not surprise if we were substantially higher 3 months, 6 months, 9 months from now. So Mike Novogratz is bullish again. Next piece of news is US government plans to sell 41,000 Bitcoin connected to Silk Road. So yeah, so Silk Road, that was a criminal things that going on, and the government just seized these bitcoins, and then they want to sell now some part of it. And also Ross Ulbricht, the creator or founder of the Silk Road, he hoped that someday I can make amends as a free man as well. So I think he changed his mind. Cool. Next, from bad signal to Bitcoin, projecting orange pill on banks as EU drives crypto regulation. The Bitcoin logo lights up on the European Central Bank building in Frankfurt, and Bitcoiners urge bankers to study Bitcoin. Bitcoin looks good on the ECB building. And where is this picture? I want to show you this picture. Yeah, so here is. So orange pill is particularly pertinent given that the global banking sector has been under the spotlight after the collapse of major institutions such as Silicon Valley Bank and Signature Bank in the United States. And here is the orange pill. Study Bitcoin. Study Bitcoin. Okay. And also there is some other policies going on that wallets about $1,000 should report all the transactions, but this is quite a nonsense, but we'll see how they can develop. Next piece of news is, let's see, SEC's Gary Gensler seeks $2.4 billion in funding to chase down crypto misconduct. Okay, spread thin and needs additional funding to keep up with the increased complexity in the capital market. So they will spend from taxpayers' funds $2.4 billion to increase complexity in the capital markets. Rapid technology innovation in the financial markets has led to misconduct in emerging and new areas, not least in the crypto space. Addressing this requires new tools, expertise, and resources. So guys, let me know in the comment section what do you think, but I think this is just insane. Spending additional 2.4 billion. So, but they asked ChatGPT what it thinks you should buy Bitcoin or not. And let's see, decentralization. Bitcoin operates on a decentralized networks. Security. Transactions made with Bitcoin are secure and cannot be reserved without the owner's consent. So guys, I think I will make a dedicated video, so I will not go through, but I will make a dedicated one. Here is how ChatGPT 4 spends $100 in crypto trading. In March 14, the reason, okay, with the context 50, yeah, here is Bitcoin, $50 in Bitcoin, 25 US dollar in Ethereum, 15 US dollar in Cosmos, Atom, and 6 US dollar in Mana, and 4 in Chainlink. So quite interesting portfolio, but this is not a financial advice. And guys, what's happened last week? That was a Binance FUD. Also, Financial Times came out with this, that Binance hid extensive links to China for several years. So guys, they made everything that bashing Binance and causing FUD out there. So let's go and check out what's happening on Twitter. Definitely follow me at MIKLOSDenkler on Twitter. Also be sure you're following Corion platform, and also laserpunk_gods, our NFT launchpad, that CorionX will be a huge use case there. So Bitcoin just broke the macro downtrend. Historically, when BTC has broken the macro downtrend, a macro uptrend followed. So after macro downtrend, macro uptrend will follow. If a dip occurs this April or May, it could be one of the last visits below 25,000 for several months, according to this chart. And guys, check it out. I really like it. This is a proposal, the best proposal ever. The best proposal ever. Look at here. I like it. Oh, what a love. Love is in the air. Love is in the air. Love is in the air. Look. Okay, I like it. A currency war, dollar versus Chinese yuan. It's happening. Bitcoin, one Bitcoin is always one Bitcoin. So Saudi Arabia considers accepting Chinese yuan for oil sales. China and France complete first LNG trade using yuan. Russia considers using Chinese yuan as a reserve currency. Saudi Arabia partners with China to build refinery for almost 84 billion. Give a like and share all this stuff. So here is how I trade altcoin cycles. Credit to Nebraska Gunner. So eventually Bitcoin profits will trickle into altcoins. Just need to be patient, and you don't need to be the first one. When alts start popping up, you will know it's time. Then you can find the laggards. And guys, let's check if we do have an altcoin season, or we are still in the Bitcoin season. But as if we are in the Bitcoin season, as the chart shows, that the best time to enter altcoins when we are leaving the Bitcoin season, but now we are in the Bitcoin season. Cool. Give a like and share. How to participate in zk-Sync airdrop and a lot of other airdrops, and check this out. So the resilience of Bitcoin and crypto is unparalleled. Over the last 2 years, 2 trillion crypto bear market, 300 plus lawsuit against crypto, collapse of FTX, largest fraud since Enron, collapse of regional banking system, fastest rising interest rates in history. Yes, BTC just hit 28,000 or 29,000. And also Saudi Arabia enters trade alliance with China, Russia, India, Pakistan, and 4 central nations. And here is this Bitcoin on display on the European Central Bank. So guys, I like this, share this. Americans' freedom is being taken away because also they are just restricting using VPNs. That is more important thing to secure and to keep your crypto in safe. And also I think they wanna ban TikTok or what else. So guys, that's it. And yeah, so take a look on the charts. As we see, Bitcoin in March closed this green candle, and now we are heading into April, but we just closed this downtrend, and now we are popping up, and this is a downward trending trend line supporting Bitcoin, but a retest to 25,000 US dollar would be quite healthy. Also, we see this on the daily chart. So guys, let's go and check out what else do we have here. So let's go to PancakeSwap, provide some liquidity in CorionX BNB pair, and look up your LPs and earn a juicy APRs of 80-90% and in CorionX BNB pair. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something. Be sure you are providing liquidity and earning rewards on our farms, and following me and our projects on Twitter. And also see you in the next video. Bye bye, enjoy your week.